In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to change your email address on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna click on your profile and go over to settings and privacy. Once you're on that page, you'll have to go over to sign in and security and then head over to the option of email addresses. So this is my current email which I use. So let's say I want to change this. So I can just add an email address. So I'm going to click add email address. I'm going to give email, my new email. So this is my new email which I want to add at the gmail.com. Alright, then I'm going to enter my password and then I'm going to click submit. My password, and then I'm going to click submit. Alright, so once that is done, I'm just not going to save my password. So they're saying that you have to verify this email. So I'm going to go over to my email. So as you guys can see, an email has just popped up. Now I'm going to confirm my email by clicking on this link right here. So I'm going to click on the link. I'll have to enter my password and it will be successfully verified. Now if I go back and I'm going to refresh this page, I'm going to go and just finish this up. Alright, so now it should be verified. So now if I go over to my privacy and settings, I go over to sign in and security, I go over to email addresses. So as you guys can see that it is successfully verified. Now I can just click on make primary, and now this is going to be my main email address. But let's say you don't want to make it primary, you can just leave it. But in my case, I don't want to make it primary, so I'm just going to leave it. But you may want to change it forever, so you can just click on this option and your email will be successfully changed. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.